The learning target in 10.1 and 10.2 is using exponents and understanding what they do. A power combines an exponent that represents repeated multiplication of a base factor. For example, in the power of 3 to the fourth, the base is 3 and the exponent is 4, meaning 3 will be multiplied by itself 4 times. So 3 to the fourth expanded out would be 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3, which is 27, times 3, which is 81. When you end up multiplying a base to a power times another base to a power, to really understand the rule, make sure you keep on reminding yourself exponents keep track of multiplying, and then write out, expand what those exponents really mean. So 5 to the second power means we have 5 times 5. 5 to that third power means we have 5 times 5 times 5. So altogether, we're multiplying 5 by itself 5 times. So the shortcut to eventually get memorized is that when you're multiplying bases that are the same, you're going to add the exponents. So 5 to the fifth. The other thing that we'll look at here in 10.2 is power of a power. Again, exponents are keeping track of multiplying. So when we expand out 5 to the second power raised to the third power, what that's saying is we have 5 squareds happening 3 times. And each of those 5 squareds is up 5 times 5, a 5 times 5, a 5 times 5. So altogether, we have 5 will get multiplied 6 times. So how could we get to that 6 a little faster? Simply multiply the exponents. Let's take a look at 2 Khan Academies. So it's a quick, simple addition. 3 plus 7 all together. 2 is going to be multiplied by 10 times. Make sure you click this little AB thing because powers are raised up. X, and again, 3 plus 5 is 8 altogether. X would be multiplied by itself 8 times. Going to go pretty fast here. So now this, you got to work backwards just a little bit. 8 to the seventh, and then 3 and an X are your exponents. So you're just quickly asking yourself, what number would have to go there to get me to 7? The answer is 4. So you're working backwards from that addition. And actually that sets us up for division in a little bit, which is another video that'll get posted of the day. 6 and 4 added up is 10. So altogether, 8 is going to be multiplied by itself 10 times. That was multiplying powers. Here's powers of powers. So now we've got a power raised to a power. The shortcut from the Google Slides is we need to multiply. So we should have 4 raised to the 8th. Again, we're multiplying. We have y fourth would be happening twice. So altogether, y to the 8th, 4 times 2 is 8. So now this one, you got to work backwards a little bit. 2 times n needs to equal 10. So 10 divided by 2 means we need a 5 there. 2 times 5 would give us 10. The exponents would match now. We're good to go. And one last one here. 2 times 5 altogether is 10 is our exponent. 9 to the power of 10. Hope that helps. Please give these kind of at the end of the week.